after the Battle of Plassey. What could the company do after the Battle of Plassey? What changed after the Battle of Plassey? After the defeat at Plassey, Siraj-ud-Dawla was assassinated and Mir Jafar was made the Nawab. There was a change in the leadership. When Mir Jafar protested the company, then the company got angry against him and removed him from power and installed Mir Qasim in his place. When Mir Qasim complained, he in turn was defeated in the battle fought at Buxar in 1764, driven out of Bengal, and Mir Jafar was reinstalled. So when Mir Qasim questioned or complained to the company officials that there is lot of demand for the gifts and the money, he was defeated and thrown out of Bengal, and Mir Jafar was brought back into the picture. So when Mir Jafar protested, company deposed him. Similarly, Mir Qasim was also replaced. So the Nawabs wanted to control more territories. Here the British want to have complete control over the Nawabs. The British want the Nawabs to follow what they told them to do. The Nawab had to pay rupees 5 lakhs every month, but the company wanted more money to finance its wars and meet the demands of trade and its other expenses. So the company was still pressing for more money and financial benefits. It wanted more territories and more revenue. The company always tried to get hold of more territories, more lands, more zameens, and try to extract more money from people. By the time Mir Jafar died in 1765, the mood of the company changed. Mir Jafar passed away in 1765, an year after Battle of Buxar. The mood of the company changed, means the thought process changed. Having failed to work with the puppet Nawabs, Clive declared, "We must indeed become Nawabs ourselves." So you can see on the picture, on the top we have Mir Jafar, then we have Mir Qasim, where the company failed to control both of these people. That's why Robert Clive is giving a statement saying that we must indeed become the Nawab by ourselves. Finally, in 1765, you can see the picture on the screen in the middle. The Mughal emperor appointed the company as the Diwan of the provinces of Bengal region. That's how the company initially tried to control the Nawabs like Mir Jafar or Mir Qasim, but when they resisted, it replaced them, and finally it decided, instead of installing somebody, let us be the Nawabs by ourselves. Let us see what happened then in the next. It was at this point of time that the company was announced as the Diwan of the provinces of Bengal region. The Diwan allowed the company to use the vast revenue resources of Bengal. This solved a major problem that the company had faced earlier. So now the company has become the Diwan, and so it has the rights to collect the taxes and started to generate some kind of revenue for the company. And this solved the major problem that company has faced earlier. From the early 18th century, its trade with India has expanded. So now not only the income increased, but also the trade had expanded. It had to buy most of the goods in India with gold and silver imported from Britain. Before company has turned as the Nawab or the head of the Diwan of the Bengal, they used to import gold and silver from Britain to buy the goods in India. This was because at this time British had no goods to sell in India. So Britishers used to send gold and silver from England to India to purchase the goods. Now, the outflow of the gold from Britain slowed after the Battle of Plassey and entirely stopped after the assumption of Diwani rights. So now, after Diwan rights are given to the company, companies started to collect the taxes. So now the Britain no need to send any form of gold or silver to buy the goods in India. The revenues could be used now which are taken in India by the company as taxes to purchase cotton and silk textiles in India. They also use the money to maintain company troops and also met the cost of building the company fort and offices at Calcutta region. This is how the situation of the company changed after company became the Nawab or acquired the rights of Diwani in Bengal region.